Where?
Oh, Papa, grapes.
No, it's not grapes.
What are those berries?
Huh?
Raspberry, right?
I don't know. I won't eat it.
Yeah, it's poison probably. Well, I don't want to eat it too. I think it's poison.
Sophie, can you give me a pretty smile?
We're in the woods. Oh,
What?
this is so beautiful.
It's a nice walking trail here, man. It's nature, right?
Now we're in the woods.
And that's what it says on the back. Nature trail. So it also has a sign for rabbit and deer. Watch out for deer.
I wish I brought my balloons so I could. Papa, I'm gonna go back.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Sure.
Now, if we go one of those sides, we'll be lost.
No, you're not gonna be lost.
Okay, this one.